wanted to share with you guys 3 beach clubs that you have to check out if you're traveling to Tulum. First is the El Pez Hotel. The view is incredible. They have 2-for-1 mojitos and you can access the beach from here. A lot of people were just hanging out on their laptops. I could honestly spend all day here. If you take a 15-minute stroll down the beach, you will hit Moljinjante, a more quiet beach club nestled between some rocks. They also have beach access, palapas, food, 2-for-1 drinks, and hammocks. We can agree that the margaritas and pina coladas were fire. My third recommendation is Papaya Playa Project. This property is huge and gorgeous. The cheapest room is just over $1K a night, but it's a great place to just come for drinks on the beach. They also have restaurants on the property along with coffee and retail shops. What's your favorite beach club in Tulum?